you. Great to see you.
Great to see you. Thanks so much for having us.
Of course, welcome to Bestop.
My friend Carly. Very nice to meet you.
Why don't we start? I'll show you guys around the facility a little bit, and I'll show you some of the options, and I can get kind of a feel of what kind of experience you want out of it, and we can go from there.
Awesome.
Sound good?
Perfect.
Cool.
Let's do it.
So I heard that Bestop is actually the OE supplier for Jeep, which I think a lot of people didn't know.
Yeah, and we actually have been for like over 30 years. So if you're driving a Jeep off the lot from the dealership, that's a soft top on there from Bestop. But the aftermarket options that we offer really lend itself to a different kind of lifestyle. So if you're a huge off-roader or something, it can totally be customizable to the experience that you want to have.
Part of the reason I want the soft top is to be able to have that conversion. It is my daily driver. We're really close to the sand dunes in Arizona, so it's a really fun thing for us to go with my family and go to the sand dunes. But getting the hard top off and being able to be convertible to just go off the road from work to going to do fun Jeep stuff, it's kind of hard to do with the hard top. So that's why I wanted to look at a soft top option. And there's so many different options now. I knew that I wanted a Bestop, but since I bought a soft top, so many things have changed in the soft top world. So that's why Bogi said, let's go over to Bestop and see what they have and show us all the options.
So what we have here is the Trektop Pro, and you'll be able to see this profile is that fastback design. And the glass windows, and it's equipped with our Sunrider feature. So you'll see that it's popped back in the front here, and that's something that you can do in less time than it takes to sit at a stop sign.
So you can actually do it when you're sitting inside the Jeep. You don't have to get out.
Exactly.
That's awesome. Yeah, and this is cool because I didn't even know that they came with actual glass windows. So that's really similar to my hardtop. So it's almost like I'm getting the same thing, but so much more versatility.
Yeah.
So this is really cool. But I actually have a 4-door Jeep, so I don't know if this comes in the 4-door.
Yes, this thing, absolutely. We have one for the 4-door. The only difference aesthetically would be that the window is going to be a little bit smaller on the 4-door.
Is it still a slider like this?
It is still a slider that operates from the inside.
Nice.
Cool. So I know that we're really interested in a soft top, but these are literally the coolest things I've ever seen.
They can be a little distracting, I know. So these are our corridors. So this center part comes out here, and
really?
I could really talk for like hours and hours about these alone. So let's get you a soft top figured out, and then we can go into the other options too.
So one of the things that's really important to me, we just bought a house and I've been remodeling. So I'm in and out of the back of the Jeep constantly, and I also just need the room. So am I going to lose any room or any functionality with getting a soft top?
Absolutely not. That's actually one of the key features of this top that sets it apart from a lot of other soft tops, is you're not going to lose that access to the back, because with this full glass rear window, totally easy to get in and out.
Okay, so I'm noticing that like there's a whole panel missing. What's happening here? Is this like a convertible kind of deal?
Totally convertible.
Transformers?
Transformers. Yeah, absolutely. So there's so many different ways that you can style this top based on if you're on the trails, if you're going to work, if you want to do a short off-roading trip, or if you just want to enjoy the sunshine and it's a nice day in Arizona and you want to take the windows out. So there are a bunch of different ways that you can style the top once it's on to fit exactly what you want.
So I know a long time ago I had a soft top and there were zippers and the zippers would get stuck, and I don't really see any zippers on this.
Yeah.
So how do these, is it hard to get everything off, or?
Nope, totally zipperless technology. So not only aesthetically does it look really cool, but it's really easy to get on and off as well.
Awesome. Well, this looks like a good option, but I'd be excited to see what else is available.
Yeah.
Totally, yeah, let's go check out some other options.
So this looks like what I've kind of got now, except
For this.
this looks like where my Freedom tops would be.
Yeah, this is our Sunrider for hardtop. And this replaces those factory Freedom panels that you have on the top.
Awesome.
So it still gives you kind of that hardtop look, but you're still able to access from the inside of the vehicle and flip it back.
Awesome. Can I give it a try?
Absolutely, yeah, hop in.
Look
What
at
is
that
that?
fanciness.
Are those made by Bestop too?
They are, yeah, that's our power board. So for those of us that are just
short
brushing
people.
5 feet, it makes it a little bit easier to get in and out of the vehicle.
So this looks really simple.
Yep.
Couple of clips. Notches, I should say. Nice. That's easy. Can she do her fancy doors with this that she wants?
Absolutely. It totally works with all of our other aftermarket accessories, like, for example, if you're interested in a power board or our corridors that we saw on the Trektop Pro. Right. Those look really great with something like this as well.
Because I feel like, Carly, this wouldn't be enough for you.
No.
Like, it's a cool option if all you want is a little bit of extra air and wind.
Right.
But I feel like you want more than that.
I feel like this is a great replacement for my Freedom tops, but I think I want to have more convertibility.
Like a full soft top, kind of I think like maybe a look wise too, more into that full soft top look and being able to flip it all the way back.
Right.
I think so.
Yeah, I'm getting that vibe from you. So, I mean, good news is we have more options to show you. So let's go take a look.
Yeah, let's take a look.
This is our Supertop Ultra.
So does this one also have the Sunrider? Because it looks a little different.
It does, yeah. It is a little bit different. Unlike the other ones that we saw before, you can't really operate it from the front seat. But the trade-off there is that you're getting that full panoramic sunroof. So the people in the front seat and the back seat can enjoy the Sunrider in this option.
This is more about what I'm looking for.
Cool. Do you guys want to hop in and try the Sunrider on this one like you did on the other?
Yeah,
Cool.
Definitely. Get after it, girl. Do it. So
it looks the same.
yeah, same
Yep,
little
just the same. So if
latches.
you pop those down and then just give it a little more of a push.
These are cool too that I have storage in it as well.
Oh, that is cool. And then what?
And then this just folds down.
Yep, just folds back.
Oh, that's easy.
It's
So-
got struts on it, which is nice. It probably helps it feel lighter.
It does, and it helps it so when you're pushing it back like that, it's not going to slam down.
I do a ton of freeway driving, so am I still able to do freeway driving with the top down like that?
Absolutely, that's a
There's
question that we
nothing
get a lot.
Secures it or anything, or that stays the way it is.
Perfectly good to drive it like that.
So I'm assuming this comes all the way down.
Absolutely, yeah.
Like
So,
this.
Carly, if you want to grab that latch over there, Bo, you can grab that one. Just flip
okay.
those up,
All right.
and then all you have to do is pull it down.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that is so easy.
That's so easy.
Is it
So-
as easy to put back up again?
It is, and it's easy to come down because of this guide track system that we have.
Okay.
And we have a lift assist technology, so it'll make it easy to put it up as well.
That's crazy.
That's awesome. And it latches into place automatically.
Yep, automatically.
Okay, but I think it needs to come down.
Yep, let's take it down.
And we need to go for a ride.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Let's try this out. This is perfect.
You like this one?
Yep. Jeep wave.
I know we've showed you a few things, so it might be time to make a decision.
I think I know what I want.
Yeah.
I think so.
So we've got three options.
Okay.
One being the Trektop Pro. That's gonna have that fastback design, rear glass window, the Sunrider feature. Just a different look to it, but also a lot of functionality because you're able to get in and out of the back very easily. Then you could just do the Sunrider. Keep your hardtop on, a replacement for the OE Freedom panels on the top, and being able to totally push it back from the inside of the vehicle. Our Supertop Ultra, you'll have that full panoramic Sunrider option, giving you that front seat and back seat, totally open air, and then also being able to remove those windows and push it all the way back as well.
That's a lot of options.
I know. It's a hard decision. The Supertop Ultra outside was really awesome.
So easy to operate.
It has so many great features, being able to take the whole thing off. That way the passengers can also get the same experience, and then being able to convert it to have it fully off was really easy. So that's enticing. Because I'm in the middle of a house remodel, access to the cargo area, this gives really great access, so I really think that this is going to be the top
This
for
is
me.
the one?
Yep.
Yes. I knew it. I knew it.
Sounds like Trektop Pro?
Yep.
Yep.
All
Trektop
right.
Pro. This is a perfect choice for you. I think you're going to really like it.
Yeah, me too. So can we go back to Phoenix and install it ourselves?
Yeah, I mean, we could hire somebody else to install it for us, but what would be the fun of that?
We're DIYers.
Of course we're doing it. You say we just,
I think we should just take this one. It seems easier. The install on it would be
I think so too.
so easy.
All right, guys, start pushing. We're going to just push it outside.
Just take this one.
All right. I think you're good.
Hey,
Oh, hi.
can I help you guys?
We were just going to try to bring this outside.
No, I don't think that'll work. The doors aren't quite wide enough. Wait a minute. I recognize you guys.
Hi, I'm Bogi.
Hey, Bogi, nice to meet you. It's a
This
pleasure
is my
meeting-
friend Carly.
Hey,
Very
Carly,
nice
pleasure
to
meeting
meet
you
you.
too. Wow, great to have you here. So what do you think? You trying out
We
all the new products?
Love it, yes. Haley gave us a tour. We checked out all of the different top options, got a tour of the facility, and really, can we just take this one?
Sure.
What about Smokey though?
For real? You heard that?
For 2 days.
He said, for 2 days. Yes, that's better than nothing. All right,
We'll
deal.
take it.
Deal.
Strap in.